up, guys? Car Junkie Reviews here. Me and my nephew are about to do a little cruise and, you know, have fun with the GoPros a little bit because we enjoy using them and we like getting the footage for you guys. So that's what's coming up next. And look, he's about to take off a little bit. Man, that color is so sexy. Well, yeah, so I'll get back to you guys once we start using the GoPros. We're about to switch to POV style, guys. I'm about to merge onto the highway, show you how it does. Please tell me that was not a cop. Is there a cop behind us?
No, you're good. I think. Oh, I can't tell. I think you're good.
Oh my god, that'd be so funny. Oh my gosh.
No, I think you're good.
Oh, but guys, if I get arrested, I'm sorry.
Alright, let's try it. Oh, cop up with that.
I'm gonna get like this.
Here, we'll cut to a clip, you know, when we can actually.
Yeah, no, cut the clip. Okay, guys, false alarm. It was not a cop. So, but there is a cop on Waze, so I'm gonna wait a little bit to do a pull. But on the highway, it's a different animal. Like, it shifts different than the 2019 narrow body. The transmission is definitely updated 100%. I don't know, it's just a different sensation. Like my nephew, he raced a narrow body the other day, and he actually lost. And we're kind of confused. Like, I know this is a heavier car, but you would expect it to be a lot closer. I don't know. It was a really weird like thing that happened. But all right, I'm gonna do a little roll right now. See how it does. Pulls pretty hard, guys. It's not bad at all on the highway. It shifts like instantly. It's like very fast shifting and I like it. It's smooth. This is my friend Steven, if you guys don't know. He's gonna be starting a YouTube channel soon.
Yeah, on my Ferrari.
Yeah, on his Ferrari that he's about to get. But yeah, I don't know. I'll let you guys know what's about to happen.
Yeah, I mean, we'll just like keep going over these videos. We have the Corvette. We have to do the Corvettes.
The Corvettes are coming soon. He has a C3 and then we got the C5. I should have took a video of it today, guys. I'm sorry. It was here at our shop, but it still needs to be tuned, so I can't really drive it. Like, we still have to data log and then update the tune. And you know, my brother is talking about throwing a supercharger on it now, so we'll let you guys know. And we still have that the 1940 Buick that's coming soon, putting that 350 in it. It's about to be sick. And my car, the green one, that's also going to be done on Monday, hopefully. We bought 275s for the back. Couldn't get anything wider. They're all sold out for some reason. So yeah, I don't know. We're going to do a lot of stuff to that one before it sells. Have fun with it while it lasts, you know. And by the way, guys, the heated steering wheel on this car, it's super hot. Like, it literally could burn your hand. It's that good. I like it.
And like, you know, drives completely normal. You can put it into try.
Yeah, that's the best part. You can literally daily this car. You could drive it every single day. The only problem is like gas in the city. It's not really the best, but like I said, you don't really want to buy this car if you're gonna care about the gas mileage. Big V8, even though it gets 25 mpg on the highway, but in the city it's pretty bad. Like, I'm averaging 11.4. Those downshifts. Man, it's cracking. It's popping in the exhaust. This car actually has an active exhaust. When you put it in track, the valves open, and when you put it in like auto and eco, like right now, the valves close. It starts to be really quiet and tamed. Oh, yeah. So I don't know. I like this car. It's different. I still think the narrow body is more aggressive driving it.
Yeah, the shifts.
The shifts, you kind of like bounce back into your seat and stuff. Ooh, look at that.
Ooh.
What is that, GLE 43? There's a lot of nice cars around here, guys, in the Cleveland area. Saw F8, by the way, you know that, the other day.
F8. Oh yeah.
It was turning right here. It was so sick.
Very nice. It's
that
the
was
red one.
Yeah, red. I think I put it in the last video. I saw it driving.
It's cool. So, you want to do? Are you gonna do a dig?
From here, you crazy? I'll do like a little light acceleration from a dig. It's gonna probably slide a little bit, but
it is cold. It is really cold.
Yeah, guys, this car doesn't get traction as good as the narrow body, which is weird because this one has a wider tire. Has 305.
Yeah, I mean, it would make sense though, actually, if you think about it, because if it's colder and the tire's a lot bigger.
You're right, and because it has sports tires. This is the Pirelli P0s.
It makes more sense.
The Pirelli P0s, when the colder weather, the tire actually hardens, so it doesn't get the best traction.
Yeah. Let's see.
See how it shifts? The first to second shift, it's different. It doesn't shift like I don't know how to explain it, guys. You have to drive one to tell, but it just shifts.
It is
like,
different than the narrow.
It's like
body.
right away. Yeah.
The narrow body was more aggressive and and not like they're both instant.
Yeah.
But this one like it'll like go longer. I don't know. It's hard. Yeah, you do have to drive it. They really like.
Oh my god.
Oh man.
Guys, the tent is very dark. They probably can't see me.
That's weird.
I know. Let me know if you guys like this POV style type of videos. I'll keep them coming with all the cars that are gonna be at our shop.
So this is like our little
hangout,
promenade in the Cleveland area.
It's really nice.
Tons of nice cars. Usually a CA. Tons of new cars come out here. A Bugatti.
Yeah, there was a Bugatti out here before.
Lamborghinis, normal. It's a Christmas time, so you got the Christmas tree out.
Yeah, this car gets a lot of attention.
It's nice. It's a, what is it called? They call them Christmas tree.
Oh, did they open it?
Yeah, I didn't know.
The street was blocked off earlier today.
They did block it off. People here don't know how to drive too.
Yeah, not at all. This car either gets thumbs up or people hating.
People hate it. Sometimes,
especially the old guys, man. They hate this car. They hate it.
It's really just you love it or you hate it, and a lot of people like it, but the people that hate it are just like complete douchebags and will call the cops and everything, and it's just like, for what?
Yeah.
And it's a loud car, but it's completely stock, and it's not compared to like what other cars are out here. Like, it's nothing.
I know, because they see a young guy in the car, and then I don't know, I guess they get jealous, but
like, I'm telling you, like, maybe we'll catch somebody in like a 370Z, like,
I know,
being really obnoxious.
Especially here, there's a lot of 370s out here.
But yeah, this would be a great place, honestly, for cars and coffee. I'm being serious.
I think they had one.
They had one, but like, it's hard to do one. You have to do it at like, remember Corona when everybody was like at home?
Yeah.
That would have been a perfect time.
We went to one during quarantine before. They had one at like this go-kart place.
That Raptor.
I know, it's a nice Raptor. Oh yeah. Not a big fan of those Macans.
Honestly, we should do, if I could get the Lincoln Navigator.
Yeah. His aunt has a Lincoln Navigator that we could probably review.
It'd be great. I mean, that'd be cool.
It's very luxurious.
Very like
underrated.
It's amazing. It's a big car, but you don't feel anything.
Yeah.
It's just amazing.
Oof, those downshifts. So funny fact, guys. One time we were parked over there, and somebody from there actually egged our cars. That was not a fun time.
Threw an egg at the car.
Literally right here. It was right there.
Oh, be careful, yeah.
Where this guy's parking. That's where my car was.
What is he doing? What?
Is he parking or what?
Yeah, people don't know how to drive. Prove the point right there. What was he?
He just reversed for no reason. So.
No, I'm being serious. Like, I don't know what people do. Like, what are they on? I'm convinced. Like I don't know. Like, how do they get their license? But yeah, it's a great time of the year to really like. This car is like great in the cold.
Yeah, it has like, I don't know, the cold weather with this car. Actually, any car in general is better in the cold weather.
Honestly, if you could show a screenshot of it wasn't even cold that day. But
I know. We got
500 horsepower. Over
no, 528.
528. Yeah,
oh,
528.
Oh, look at that Subi.
Oh, that's nice.
That's clean. I like those wheels.
See, like, this is a car that'll get a lot of hate.
Yeah.
And it really makes a reputation when you take, yeah, see, like,
That sounds pretty good. Oh, there's a Civic too.
We can hear it.
Oh my God, look at all these cars pulled.
Oh. And this is what people hate.
Yeah. Look at that Miata.
That's nice. That's cool.
They're all coming out.
That's cool. And that's the beauty of this car. It's really just that American, like, sounding V8. It's amazing.
Yeah. I love this car. It's very fun.
Especially in the cold.
Do you hear it crack
Yeah, crack.
pops? Let's see. I don't know
That's
if you
stock.
Sounds amazing.
Crackles and pops stock.
Oh, there's another Subaru, guys.
It's crazy.
A lot of tuner cars out here. So today, most likely going to a car meet. There's gonna be Hellcats there. There's a stock Hellcat that's gonna race tuned CLS 63. Kind of interested to see who's gonna beat that or who's gonna win against those two. There's gonna be, you know, a bunch of Subarus, Evos. Be a lot of nice cars out tonight. I might try to get a run in with the GT350. Hopefully, you know, if he's down to run. I want to see how this car will do. We raced one before, but not in this car, in the narrow body, and we were neck and neck the whole entire time until like 140 he started to creep up a little bit. But I don't know, I'm curious to see how this one will do against it, because, you know, wide body is a little bit heavier. Kind of interested, so we'll see what's about to happen. And we're gonna do a comparison between narrow body versus the wide body once I get my car back, the green one. That way we could see all the differences and see how, like, back to back, how they drive and how they compare against each other. We're gonna put them, you know, we're gonna take them to Mexico and, you know, run them, see how it does.
Tijuana.
But Tijuana, yeah. I don't know, guys. I'm kind of curious to see what it's gonna do.
And honestly, one thing about this car that people are like, oh, it wouldn't be good around the corners. Like, this car is great around the corners.
Like, it's
obviously it's not a sports car, but it's not as bad as what people would think. So, like, it's in track right now.
Sure, it's heavy and stuff, but
it's controllable.
Look, there's barely any body roll. It's very instant. Like, wherever you turn the wheel, it goes right away, and it's awesome. It's because of the 20x11s. Like, those tires, they help.
And like that's a trend really with, like, all the new muscle cars and ponies. Like, well, it's like the Mustang. Like, the Mustang's really more of a sports car nowadays, and you can just take that car around the corners, and it's amazing.
He's a big Mustang guy.
Yeah, Mustangs are great.
Yeah, you gotta get that Shelby, man.
Amazing cars, honestly.
There's one for sale at our local dealership, actually. Yeah. Shelby GT500. It's like a greenish yellow. What do they call it? What's the color called?
I forgot. It's the lime green.
Lime green. Yeah, they want like 81,000 for the car.
Honestly, which isn't that bad. Like, if
I've seen some for like 120, 130.
81,000. It has everything that you really need. Obviously, it doesn't have the track pack, which would be amazing. But
yeah.
But for that, it has all the technology you need. It has everything. So I would love that.
Yeah, guys, I'm thinking about starting a series with this, like a car, like driving and talk. I don't know.
Yeah, like comment. Honestly, that'd be great.
Honestly, it'd be a nice thing. We'll, you know, talk about cars and give you guys information, and it'd be pretty cool. I think you guys would like it. Comment below, see what you guys think. You know,
I'm down. I'm 100% down.
Yeah, that would be a fun series.
You could bring people in
and just drive and talk.
Drive and talk.
Do a little POV.
That'd be great.
So guys, this is the Navigator that we were talking about. It's actually very nice and clean. I'm gonna show like the interior, but after this, we're gonna head up to the dealer and we're gonna go check out the green car just to show you guys like an update on how it's doing. And we're also gonna show you a little clip of the 1940 Buick. So yeah, I'm gonna keep updating you, everybody. So this is the interior. No, but
it was the thing was going up. So these are the 30 massage seats, 30 way. think 30-way adjustable seats. It's amazing.
It's very comfortable, yeah.
You can adjust anything.
Look at that. Look at the screen. Look at it's very high class. Like, it's luxurious.
Obviously, still dirty.
It's very, very underrated. It has, look at the speakers. I love the wood.
Sound system. It's a really good sound system. You test it out. Hold on. You can hear that V6 Raptor engine.
Look how it.
And then everything comes out to you. This is not my settings.
Yeah.
But it's amazing, and everything's amazing. The sound system's great.
Oh yeah, it's very good.
Engine's loud for a 6-cylinder. It's really loud.
Is it?
Well, obviously it's not loud when you're like, unless you floor it.
Yeah.
And then you put it in sport mode, which
but
is
like even this, like it's so like it's nice.
Everything
to the
you
touch.
touch is like
High quality. Yeah.
So like here, if we go to, if you can show this. So there's these cool modes. This is like eco, and this is sport. It's like sight.
Wow.
So it's like really cool. And it's a 10-speed.
Wow.
So you have, it's really cool.
Yeah.
And you can just go through the system. It's like amazing. Let's see. Actually, let me see if we can connect.
Look at that. It kind of reminds me of the Mercedes.
Yeah, it's like right out of like.
Yeah. It has CarPlay.
And here we can adjust the sound system really quick. I don't know if I can play. I don't know. It's like really good. I don't know if you'll be able to hear it, but it's really
Wow. Wow.
So we can't do because I know.
Yeah, copyright.
But it's really cool, really instant. It's like same with like the Uconnect system, very fast, like very fast. You click on it, everything's instant, it's amazing. I'm sure the maps, if we go to the maps, everything's it takes me to that maps. I didn't know I was gonna do that.
Yeah.
Amazing heated steering wheel. Everything's just quality in this car.
Yeah. So next time he might do a POV drive. I'll post it, or he'll post it, make a YouTube channel. So we'll let you guys know. What up, guys? So it's Car Junkie Reviews here. This is actually one of our projects that me and my brother are doing. It's a 1940 Buick. We plan on painting it white and put like the white tiring like the old cars do. And then we're gonna put a 350 motor and then start to rent it out. So that's pretty sick. I'm gonna try to show you guys like videos of the green Charger and let you guys know how it's going. So far, it's about to get painted soon, but the frame is almost done. It's not fully done, but it's gonna look really good. Yeah, see, like here's part of it. Still has a lot to do and fix, but it's gonna come out nice. Look what got crushed too, though. That's the bumper. Windshield wiper fluid, yeah. Oh, there's the bumper right there. It needs to get painted. But man, I'm gonna miss this color, guys. It's probably gonna be sold soon. It's gonna be sad, but it's gonna look nice though before we sell it. Oh, there's some pieces too back there. Oh, that's the bumper. That's the old bumper right there. Dang, it's crazy.
And the punching bag.
Yeah, we're about to get set up the GoPros, guys, and start taking videos. It's gonna be a good YouTube video today. We're at the meet. Some nice cars out. It's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please hit that like and subscribe button. I'll catch you guys later.